Happy new moon. Did you hear the crow? Well, I need to get out there in the cold. Come join me. Remember to cross over, and having sandals on. I don't know how you find my earlier ones, but one of them tells you how to properly put your sandals on, and so that you can be safe, etc. How to use girdles instead of back braces. You can slide out of them, and they're kind of cute. $88 times 88 times 88 cubit. All we have to do is two or more agree that that's pretty. It's not that hard. It's not that hard to find the positive in every day, but we have to get out of our own way. And that's where different things, like my second husband, he helped me get over my attitude towards pot. But nowadays, people don't know how to deal with like real life stress without all these gadgets and distractions and remedies. So that's one thing that kind of concerns me. There's a lot of things that I don't have to be concerned about, do I? One of a kind. I've never needed to lie. And then now I know there's a time to be considerate of someone's wounding or just ignorance. So sometimes arrogance is just ignorance. Wait 80 years and then judge it. So the girls are doing well. Oh, because fibromyalgia is like having your bones on fire. And so you need to cool them from the inside out. And they've made all the California regulators have been jacked up as far as AC units to 15,000 BTUs. And it's like, so you're using more electricity, and then you're going through your bill. And they make it turn off. They take control out of your hands. And see, it used to be that we, the people, would stand up and say, then we won't buy from you. Then the they that plays the chess game 40 years, Hitler had it all planned, Someone before him had it. Art. Monica.org. Art offers children just like nature. Offers ADHD and just people. You need to be grounded. You need to feel good. You need to feel sensual. And you need to feel loved or know you're loved. Get near nature however you can, even if it's just shutting your eyes and remembering a moment and time where your heart was mine. And that pureness was so pure that there was no other place to go. There was no thought. It was just beautiful unfoldment and purposeful. 444. So many different ways to recoup, and initiate beauty and hope. And goodness, sensuality is very healthy. So is sexuality. But being mean, the boys, like number 3, that's just icky. Anyway, thank you for joining me.